This dedicated for brother Alvin.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Let me start this. Let me start this. The Simon lyrics reminiscing about my best friend. I swear to God I really miss him. I miss him so bad. He left us so sad. I need my bro back. See, he was there through everything. My ups and downs, the only one that really had my back. And now he's not around physically, but spiritually I know he's still near. I know my bro, he never left. He wrote this song with me. How can we not talk about family when family so that we got everything you went through? You were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Oh.
When I see you again. When I see you again. When I see you again. When I see you again, I'm never leaving you, man. I know you're waiting at the gates, waiting there to let me in. I know you'll be there at my side. When I die, I lost fear, I lost tears, crying over you for many days. I miss your face, I miss your voice. I know I'll see you later when you're newborn boy. You ain't leaving alone though, I'm moving out. It's not cause I'm destroyed, you taught me life's short. How can we not talk about family when family so that we got everything you went through? You were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride.
Let the Lord guide your way. Whatever memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. It's been a long day.
It's been so long,
Without you, my friend.
now I'm saying,
And I tell you all about it when I see you again.
till that day comes.
Come a long way.
You know we come a long way, bro.
Where we began.
Where it all
Oh, I
started.
tell you all about it when I see you again.
Just wait.